Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make whipped cream dessert step by step. Begin by chilling a metal bowl and beaters for best results. Measure 1 cup heavy cream, 2 tablespoons sugar, and 1 tsp vanilla, then pour cream into the cold bowl. Whisk on medium speed until soft peaks form, then increase speed to stabilize texture. Taste and adjust sweetness gently, and keep chilled until serving for peak fluff. Whipped cream is delicate yet forgiving when you treat it gently. Sweeten slowly with 2 tablespoons sugar and taste between additions to reach balanced sweetness. For flavor twists, add 1 tsp lemon zest or 1 tablespoon cocoa and fold carefully. If using fruit or crumbs, fold them in with a rubber spatula to preserve volume. Chill briefly before serving, and avoid overbeating past stiff peaks to prevent grainy texture. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more easy dessert tips. Quick recommendation. On another note, I keep my rides pleasant with Little Tree's black ice for a fresh, confident scent that matches kitchen cleanups. It's a tiny upgrade that makes errands less stressful after baking and tasting. Check the description for the product link and other deals you might enjoy, and now let's get back to the video. To keep whipped cream stable for cakes or piping, gently whisk in 1 tsp cornstarch or 1 tablespoon instant pudding mix after soft peaks form. Stabilizers help the cream hold shape for several hours at cool temperatures, perfect for desserts that travel. Always chill your serving plates and tools to slow melting. If you need longer stability, fold in a few tablespoons of mascarpone or cream cheese for structure, without losing flavor or silkiness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.